used the skills he had learned from Anatar to make 3 more Rings of Power. But this time without Anatar Sauron being a part of the process. At which point, with the forging of the One Ring and Sauron attempting to use its power, the elves of Eregion finally realised what was happening. They took off the rings and Celebrimbor sought advice from Galadriel. She recommended destroying all the rings, but Celebrimbor couldn't bring himself to do that, destroying his masterpieces. So he gave one of the 3 he had forged on his own to Galadriel to keep safe, and the other 2 went to Gil-galad, who passed one of them on to Círdan. When Sauron invaded Eregion and captured Celebrimbor, demanding he hand over the rings, Celebrimbor eventually had to give up the 16, but refused to say where the 3 final Elven rings were. To bring the story up to date, Gil-galad gave his one to Elrond, and Círdan gave his to Gandalf when he appeared in Middle-earth in the Third Age. So by the time of The Lord of the Rings, that's where they are, with Gandalf, Elrond, and Galadriel. So the first important point here is that the 3 were forged using the same skills and magical technology that Anatar Sauron had taught Celebrimbor, but without his personal involvement in the forging.